how to delete XM account permanently. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can close your account on xm.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. This is really curious because once you have opened an account here on xm.com, you're not going to be able to delete it so easily. So I have tried to do it from the settings of on my mobile and here, but there's no way to do it. Even if I click here on help center and just write the word deletion, there are no results for it. For delete, perhaps how modify or close an open position, send accounts. I mean, there are different articles, but none of this is how to close your account. So what I recommend you is to go to your email and compose a new email to support at xmglobal.com. And now the subject is going to be delete my account, and here you must complete your process. This is my username, this is the email that I've registered my account, and I need you to delete my account. Most of these platforms of investments works with your deletion just if you have your account on zero and all your trades and positions are closed. So in case you have some positions here or you have some money in this account, you must withdraw all the money from here, and then you're gonna be able to complete the process of delete your account. Okay, so remember, you must write to support at xmglobal.com, the subject delete my account, and to complete the email. And that's how it works. That's how you can delete XM account permanently. Thanks for watching.